Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply boron to plants. Boron is a crucial micronutrient, essential for many plant functions. It plays a key role in cell wall development, sugar movement within the plant, and successful pollination. Maintaining the right balance is vital. Too little can stunt growth, while too much can lead to toxicity, causing leaf burn and overall plant decline. Understanding its role is the first step to effective application. Recognizing boron deficiency early is key to preventing significant crop loss. Look for visual cues such as stunted growth, thickened or brittle leaves, and cracked stems. You might also notice poor flowering or fruit development. To be certain, conduct a soil test and a plant tissue analysis. These tests provide precise data, helping you understand your specific boron requirements and avoid guesswork. There are several effective ways to apply boron to your plants. Soil application is a common method, where boron is incorporated into the top 6 inches of soil before planting. Foliar sprays offer a rapid solution, allowing plants to absorb boron directly through their leaves, which is great for quick corrections. Seed treatments provide young seedlings with an early boost. Always read and follow the specific instructions on your boron product for best results. Correct dosage is critical when applying boron. For most field crops, a general guideline is to apply 1 to 2 pounds of actual boron per acre to the soil. When using foliar sprays, aim for a concentration of about 0.1%. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eyewear. Remember, boron can be toxic in excess, so precise application prevents plant damage and ensures healthy growth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.